Hey, my workplace warriors. So, before this Memorial Holiday weekend officially ends, I just want to stop by and take a few minutes to encourage anyone out there who is currently job searching. First, I hope you were able to rest at least a little this weekend. I hope that you laughed. I hope you spent time with people who you care about. And I hope you gave yourself a chance to breathe. Because let's face it, searching for a job can be exhausting sometimes. It can feel emotionally draining. It can affect your confidence. And if we're being honest, sometimes it can make people feel stuck. So, here's what I want you to remember before Tuesday morning rolls around. Don't completely disconnect from your future. You don't have to spend every hour applying to jobs. You don't have to pressure yourself to do everything. But think about it. Just one intentional step can change your momentum. One resume update, one networking conversation, one strategy shift, one better targeted application, or 1 hour spent learning how to approach your job search differently. It all matters. So over this holiday weekend, I've been encouraging job seekers not to give their job search a holiday. You deserve the holiday, but your job search does not deserve the holiday. And what I mean by that is simple. Rest because it's healthy, but don't quit on yourself because that is not healthy. There is a difference. A lot of job seekers are frustrated right now because they're applying constantly, but not applying strategically. They're applying emotionally, applying randomly, applying without clarity, and even applying without understanding how employers actually evaluate candidates. And that approach usually creates burnout instead of progress. That's one of the reasons I created my free on-demand Master Your Job Search workshop, which I'll put a link below the video for you if you want to check it out. I wanted to give job seekers practical guidance on how to position themselves more effectively during their job search, how to improve their resume strategy, how to strengthen their LinkedIn visibility, and how to approach their search more intentionally. So, if you have not yet watched my free workshop, I want to encourage you to do so before the new month rolls in. And if you already watched it, that is great news, and thank you. Now, the next step is implementation, not perfection, implementation. Small strategic improvements over time create momentum. So tonight, before this weekend ends, I want you to make a decision. Do not carry confusion, discouragement, or randomness into another month. Move forward with more clarity, more intention, and more belief in the value that you bring, because you do bring value. Your experience has value. The goal now is learning how to position it strategically. I'm rooting for you, and don't forget that. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and I will talk with you again soon. Bye.